Hey, Matt Kingman here, 6th hour, and I'm here to describe my math project. I'm going to start off here with scatter plots. The scatter plots, they were fairly easy to make. I started off by getting the data presented to me off Moodle, put it in, and it gave me this chart. I had to delete the lines. I changed the color of the dots. I added titles, and I added this axis, the horizontal axis title, and I added this vertical axis title right here. And I did the same thing for nurses. Got the data off Moodle, made the lines, deleted the original lines that were on here, created the horizontal axis title, and created this vertical axis title. And as you can see, my state was South Carolina, if I forgot to mention that. And we're going to move on to regression models. This here is an equation for a linear model. Here's my equation right here found. Making this graph, I basically just copied and pasted the original graph I made for doctors. And we added this line right here, a linear line to find the trend. It's a trend line that we found that made in between the dots. And down here is a quadratic formula. Here's the formula right here found for the doctors again. I copied and pasted the graph from right here, and we went ahead and edited it to a polynomial trend line. And it's, as you can see, it becomes a little more curved than the linear. The linear is straight ahead, but the quadratic is curved. And regressional models continued. This is nurses. It's again found the equation. I copied and pasted this information from the first scatter plot. And we found this. This is a linear equation, as you can see from the straight line. And here is a quadratic formula. Here's my equation, and copied and pasted from this original graph from up here. And we found the line, and we changed it from linear to quadratic trend line because you can tell from the curve. Now we're going to move on to rational models. This graph is used to find the nurse to doctor ratio of South Carolina. As you can see, we found this first line right here. This is this is the first line we had to find, and right here is the second line we had to find right here. This is the actual ratio from nurse to doctor. As you can see, it happens to be decreasing years before. And added titles, the chart title here, the axis, the horizontal axis title, and the vertical axis title right here. Now we're going to move to limits at infinity. Here's my chart title, and here's the line right here, as you can see, and the horizontal asymptote I found down here. Here's my horizontal axis, and here's my vertical axis. And that is my project, and that's it. Okay.